Now we will look at a digital assistant demo for an underwriter. The underwriter's digital assistant can be seen on the screen now, an attended robot called Engelbert. The robot digital assistant window has been loaded up with lots of processes relevant to an underwriter's role, which can be launched whenever needed. Powerful, yet simple and easy to use. Let's take a look at the policy renewal process. This underwriter has a set of policy renewals to review. Those received via email will have been triaged by a bot and allocated to a particular underwriter or team. Leaving them unread, the unattended robot, Engelbert, will now be told to assist in processing them. Firstly, the robot brings up a screen which helps the underwriter process renewals, or generate a full renewal register for the period. Or they can review all renewals at a particular pending stage, for example, escalated, new due date, etc. They click the button called Emails Triaged for renewal. Immediately, the robot reads the 6 emails and scrapes the related data, showing them in a list. This was quick and no copy-pasting by the underwriter. The underwriter chooses the renewal from Andrew Jones and the robot opens up a web-based CRM system from which Andrew's details can be scraped. And secondly, it opens up and navigates through a mainframe system to obtain policy information. The underwriter doesn't need to perform any of these searches themselves. This is much more rapid, less cumbersome, and allows the underwriter to work much more efficiently. The underwriter can now navigate through the screens of information that have been gathered by Engelbert. The current customer details, their policy information. And since this is a motor insurance policy, vehicle-related data. Related documents to the policy are also shown here. The underwriter can view or get the robot to process these immediately. In claims history, we can see Andrew Jones had an accident and subsequent claim at the beginning of the year. Additionally, a complaint was raised by Andrew, related to the damage assessment evaluations. The customer's interaction history is visible. In this case, the phone call related to the claim was logged, and a follow-up web chat conversation where details related to the incident were recorded. Next up, we have the price calculator outputs, showing that Andrew's premium will increase to £587. But it has also output a set of additional options in the policy renewal. The last tab on this demo screen shows the decisions available to the underwriter. They can approve it or decline it. Alternatively, if they are not equipped to make a decision at this point, or if they require a higher level of approval, then they can escalate the renewal to a superior. Here, they add a quick note and click the Escalate button. Now, let's act as the new underwriter who Andrew Jones' renewal has been escalated to. Here, they can log on to the UiPath Action Center portal, a web-based platform in which they can be passed tasks by robots or other users. This is additionally accessible from mobile devices via a smartphone app. However, here we'll see it in the desktop browser. The escalation user is able to assign the task to themselves and scan through the gathered data. The relevant policy and submission documents are also still available here. This user may have insights or authority to make a judgment. The moment the renewal is approved, a policy issuance bot will pick this up and generate the policy documentation, even sending it directly on via email if required. Back-end systems can be immediately and automatically updated, reducing the lengthy post-decision steps underwriters need to perform.